What's up, Axie Infinity holders, guys? Axie Infinity holders price very badly going to decrease, guys, and absolutely Axie Infinity is also going in the lows like a file coin. But guys, now the latest the last 60-minute update is going positive, so possibilities, guys, that the price start pumping. Last 1 hour update is positive 1.06%. the last 1 day, last 1 week changes is negative, so the previous changes is completely negative, but the last 60-minute update is positive, so a lot of people are hoping from Axie Infinity. Anyways, guys, if you are new to my channel and if you don't subscribe, so please click the subscribe button right now, because AXS channel will update you every time from a new cryptocurrency news. Positive 64.32 USD dollar. That is a right now price of Axie Infinity. Let's see the price chart. Oh my god, you can see here very badly effect. But guys, you can see here, notice just the latest situation, and the latest situation the price start pumping, trying to the price jump, and I believe, guys, now the pumping time of Axie Infinity or starts, guys. Alert. But also, if you look at the previous time changes, so from 5 September the price falls down, but in the latest situation, as I show you in the start of this video, that last 1 hour change is positive, so that's why I'm feeling positive about Axie Infinity, guys. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates video.